we move forward and we are going to see section 3, that is the writing skill. Question number 4, complete the activities as per instructions given below. Now let's see, this particular section, that is the third section, is based on writing skill, is prescribed for 16 marks. There should be 4 options A, B, C, D in all sub questions, not options. We can say there should be 4 sub questions in question number 4, that is the writing skill. In all sub questions there are at least 3 options. Okay, you have your own choice. You have to attempt one activities in each sub questions. Now I want to confirm you, this is only kind of question, this is the only kind of section at where you got a chance or at where you got options. Rest of the activities are compulsory activities. In writing skill you have options. Each sub questions carried 3 options. Out of these 3 you can go any other one. Okay, so like that. So sub question A, you have a drafting virtual message, statement of purpose and group discussion. So such kind of the activities or writing skill based on this: drafting virtual message, statement of purpose, group discussion. As a syllabus designer, as a paper setter, we have, it's compulsory that we should ask these 3 activities. As an examiner, you have a choice. You can go with any other activities. So there should be activities, there should be 3 activities. You have to attempt at least one. It should be carried for 4 marks. Then B, email, report writing, interview. You have these 3 options. Out of these 3 options you can choose any other one. Then C, you have a speech, comparing, expansion of ideas. So out of these 3 you can go any one. D, you have a review writing, blog writing, appeal writing. It's all activities prescribed for 4 marks. In each sub questions you get 3 options. Out of these 3 options you have to attempt any one. Okay, so that should be there. Note for us that in ABCD paper setter should be frame activities on all types in each set. As options, students are required to attempt any one activity from each set. That I told you. That you have 4 sub questions. In all 4 sub questions you have at least 3 options and you have to attempt any one activity. So you have the options in these particular sections. Each activity is carried for 4 marks. Now we move forward and we are going to see that is the next section, that is a literary genre novel. It's again prescribed for 16 marks. Question number 5A, complete the activities given below as per instructions. It's prescribed for 4 marks. First activities on the history of English novel is carried for 2 marks. Second activities on the history of English novel carried for 2 marks. Now in this activity they have given you extract, okay, and then they ask you to write the answers or write the answers of given activities. Activities to be framed MCQ, match the column, chronological order, filling the blank, true, false, elements of novel or any other novel activity. So such kind of activity should be there. It should be MCQ, right? Multiple choice questions. You have to either uh, find out the proper answer, chronological order, filling the blanks, true, false, elements of novel, such kind of activities. The activities question number 5a should be framed on textbook content number 4.1. So these activities means history of English novel. We have seen the history of English novel 4.1. So the activities of this particular question number 5a is definitely prescribed from the extract of 4.1, that is a history of English novel. That is our background topic. Okay, now we move forward and we are going to see the next, that is a biz set. Answer in the above 50 words to the question given below. It should be 4 marks. Questions to be framed on the elements such as a plot, structure, theme, setting, language, character. Now, B, C, D. These activities of novel is based on 3 novels we have. Means B, we have a second novel, we have a third novel, and we have 4 novels. So we have basically we have a 3 novel. On the basis of these 3 novels, we have asked these activities. That is a 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. They have mentioned over there, right? What should be activities on the basis of plot, on the basis of theme, and the basis of structure, setting, language, character? You should frame the activities on the basis of these things. Plot, you have to ask the questions or you have to say the activities on the basis of plot, structure, language, character. It should be like that. There should be 2 activities particularly frame in such questions in this section. This first should be describe, explain, compare, contrast, name, discuss. Such kind of activities should be prescribed for 2 marks. Means they ask you describe about the character, explain about the theme, nature of the novel, compare in between 2 different characters, contrast, make a contrast, name, discuss, such kind of activities. And the second activity is illustrate, interpret, name, justify, narrate, justify, find, identify. So such kind of activities. These activities is slightly difficult than our earlier activities. First activities is slightly easy, but second activities, the difficulty level of second activities is slightly raised. Okay, so such kind of activities should be there. Now C and D are as same as B. The difference, or the only difference is that B is prescribed from 4.2, C prescribed from 4.3, D prescribed for 4.4. That the thing it should be there. Right? All activities is for 4 marks. In each activities there are 2 sub activities. The nature of those sub activities are as same as B, C, D. So all the activities should be as same as. So rather repeated this task, I will move forward. D, answer is now the instructions for us. What is the instructions? Question number 1 to question number 4 purely activity based questions. Yes, definitely purely activity based questions. We have question 4, means our activities is divided into 4 sections and we have 4 questions. Means there are sub questions should be there, but we have normally speaking or formally speaking, we have 4 questions. So all questions are totally based on activity based questions. Grammar activities should be functional in activity format, not plain instruction based type. So grammar based questions should be activity based format, it not a plain instruction based question. In case of mind mapping, the model answer will be just for reference, cannot be treated as as exact. So as I told you, in mind mapping questions, there should be no direct answer of such questions. Activities should not be repeated any means throughout the activity sheet. Activity should not be repeated. Varieties, novel activities are expected throughout the activity sheets. So varieties of novel. Set 5, question number 5B, C, D means section 4 actually, B, C, D, that we have our last activities, purely based memory based question. Through varieties of options are mentioned each place, similar format should not be repeated throughout section 4. So that should be there. So that is exact nature of our activities. Our activity is divided into 4 sections: prose, poetry, writing skill, novel. Each sections have a purely activity based pattern. You have to, apart from writing skill, all the activities are compulsory, there is no any other options. All of you, I suggest, if you want to earn, if you want to secure good marks in our subject, then you have to definitely, you have to carefully study this particular our paper pattern. If you study the paper pattern, you will definitely secure good marks, because you definitely, suppose you expect to uh, understand the nature of activity sheets, so you definitely go with such kind of things. I hope you understand this particular section. As I told you, you are a student of 12th standard, you supposed to give the HSC exam, and you should know about, you should know the nature uh, of our paper pattern, and therefore I purposefully, deliberately uh, do this section in separate way. I hope you, all of you, understand the nature of our activity sheet. So while dealing with our paper, it become you easy, or it's become easier task to you while dealing the examination. So let's stop at here. uh, Thank you all of you.